AI is just an organizer, not intelligence. What's the skimmy on AI today? People say artificial intelligence is the next brain, maybe even smarter than us. But here's the truth. AI isn't intelligence at all. It's just an organizer. There's hype everywhere. News headlines say machines are getting close to human level. Investors are pouring billions into startups claiming breakthroughs. And even some of the most famous AI researchers call it a possible threat to humanity. The story they're selling is simple. Machines that think like humans, that might one day outsmart us, or even take over. But here's the skimmy. AI isn't thinking. It doesn't understand. What it really does is organize, sorting through massive amounts of data, finding patterns, and spitting out answers that look smart because of scale, not because of thought. Think about it this way. If you gave a person every book ever written and told them to memorize every word, they'd drown in the information. But AI can scan, index, and reorganize all of it in seconds. Does that mean it knows the meaning of life? No. It only means it's efficient at reshuffling what already exists. That's why chatbots can sound brilliant one moment and completely ridiculous the next. They aren't reasoning. They're predicting the next most likely word, based on the mountain of data they've been fed. If the data leans one way, the answers lean with it. If the data has gaps, the answers fall apart. Let's make it practical. A calculator doesn't understand math. It organizes numbers into equations and outputs the result. A search engine doesn't know facts. It organizes web pages and gives you links. AI tools are just the next step in that same tradition. They look more human because the output is language, but the process is still organization, not thought. The real danger is not robots waking up. It's humans forgetting that AI is only an organizer. The moment we start treating predictions as judgment or data patterns as wisdom, we give away our responsibility. We outsource decisions, ethical, financial, political, to something that doesn't actually think. This has consequences. In finance, algorithms already move billions in trades every day. A tiny flaw or bias in the model can create ripple effects across markets. In education, students are leaning on chatbots for answers. But instead of learning to think critically, they accept whatever is produced. In politics, automated content farms can flood social media with endless noise, organized to look convincing but empty of meaning. And when jobs are built only on organization, like spreadsheets, legal drafting, customer service, or even parts of journalism, they're the first to feel the impact. Machines are cheaper, faster, and tireless organizers. But jobs built on persuasion, creativity, trust, and human judgment, those can't be fully automated, at least not yet. So the question becomes, what do we value more? Speed, efficiency, and endless data reshuffling? Or the slower, harder work of human judgment, ethics, and creativity? Because the real dystopia isn't machines waking up. It's people falling asleep, forgetting how to think because they trust the organizer more than their own judgment. That's the skimmy on AI today. It's not intelligence, it's just an organizer. Follow the skimmy so you don't miss the next one.